Today, Brenda, Suresh and I have been challenged to walk 30 dogs at Gamuda Cove 60-acre pet-friendly Central Park.
Wow!
That's right.
Yeah. And as you
Yes.
can see, we are right in front of Palmer Sands Homes. It's the first landed residential here in Gamuda Cove where homeowners are getting their keys really soon.
Oh.
Wow! Guys, at the same time, it is literally walking distance to the Central Park. It's right there!
Central Park, so pretty!
So pretty, so
It's got a
big.
lake and everything.
Wow.
Crazy.
It's crazy. At the same time, we're given this map to help guide us around the humongous park. And we've got to complete some obstacles that's on this map.
Is this Ninja Warrior?
With the dogs, with the dogs.
That's so exciting!
At the same time, we will be getting some assistance from some pet nannies.
Okay.
From Fetch Me Later, so we're not alone on this. We're not alone on this.
Thank you, producer. Okay, so 60 acres, very big, very excited to see what's in store because this place looks beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
It's
and
got 3 lakes.
Not only that, actually, I heard that it's promoting low-carbon townships.
Oh, hashtag save the earth.
Yeah, so that
green.
means, right, they'll have tourism trams. And also, I heard that they're planting 1 million trees. So...
Wow. Oh, wait, guys.
What's this?
We just got our first game.
What?
First
fast.
obstacle. Okay.
Already.
Ready, yeah? Okay.
What's the
Alright.
challenge, Suresh?
Game
Okay,
1. Meet the dogs and choose an Instagrammable spot for a picture-perfect moment.
So many.
I know, right? So make sure all 10 dogs, so I think each one of us are getting 10 dogs. Oh my
Okay.
god. Make sure all 10 dogs say cheese.
Oh, say cheese! They're called
Oh my gosh!
Kenna. What's that?
No!
They brought a bus full of dogs.
Oh my god! No running, no running.
Okay.
Hello! Oh my god! Oh wow, you're energetic!
That's 6. Okay. Hi, doggies.
Alright. 5. Only.
Only you want 10, right?
Guys, the challenge starts now.
Okay.
I haven't taken the other 5! Wait! Everyone, let's go! Come! Okay. This side, let's
Let's
go.
go, doggies. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god. Oh.
Hold on tight, Nicky.
Let's go. How are we gonna do this? Doggies, let's go. Let's go, doggies. We walk.
I can't walk, guys. I think I need to unloop them because feels like I am tight, you know? Step out of the loop. Step out of the loop.
I have one princess over here that doesn't...
Can I put a princess in my bag?
Can you fit? Can you?
Okay, Ken, this works. I feel like a newborn mother. A new mother. It's so heavy. Hi, baby. Hi.
Okay, PSA time. No dogs were harmed in the making of this video. But the talents, well, maybe we underestimated the strength of 10 dogs versus 1 human lah. Thankfully, the pet nannies were there to help save the day.
Okay, let's go left, dog. Left. Okay. We're late. I know. Okay, let's go, doggies. Come on. Let's go. So now we have to find an Instagrammable spot.
How about that long bridge
Yeah,
over there?
Yeah,
Come
that
on.
looks pretty. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Almost there. Oh no, Pepper, go behind me. Oh, wait, not like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. I desperately need help. Okay, good. Stop.
Okay, let's go look at the map, guys. The map. Let's go somewhere there. Okay, doggies. Let's go somewhere there. Okay, let's walkies. Walkies. Ah! Oh, yeah. Damn, this lake looks great. Shall we take a picture here, doggies? Yeah, I think they like the lake, so we're gonna try. Okay, how do I make them all 10 in the same shot? And how do we say cheese? I don't know.
Go! Slow! Whoa! I think this is a really nice, Instagrammable spot that I want to take pictures with the dogs. Guys, is there a way to get all of them to sit down here so we can take a nice picture? We try, okay? We try.
We call ourselves. Shall we be the sleigh squad? Sleigh! Everyone say sleigh. Oh yeah, slay.
Okay, guys. So I mean, we've already got all the dogs sat here. I highly doubt we can take a selfie. So, please, Chelsea, I need your help to take a picture. Thank you so much. Okay, right, guys, everyone, say cheese. Say cheese. Bruno, sit down. Bruno, sit down. Good boy. Look there, look there, look there. Cheese, cheese, Rocco. All right, did we get the shot? Yeah. Let's move on to the next station.
Hey, cheese. Everyone say cheese. Hey, hey, here.
We're moving on to the next station. Chelsea, what you got for me? What do we have? Let's see. Game 2. Hey, Jabat, you listening or not? It's playtime. Bring the dogs over to the pet playground and pick your 3 ninja dogs. Bruno is definitely ready. Are you guys ready to be ninja dogs? That's right, boy. Let's go, let's go. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Cheese! You like cheese? Cheese, 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 poodle. Cheese! Oh, I'm not the cheese. I'm not in front.
All right, so we are here at the obstacle course. Which one of you 3 are prepared to be ninja dogs? Come, step up. Here. No, here. Come here. Okay. Here, almost done. All right. Come here. And then we come here. And then we come here. And then we come here. We're almost done. Good job, girl. Here's your treat. Good boy. Good boy, Mr. Bob. Ah, you did a good job. Here's your treat. Good girl. Good job, girl. Okay, let's take him back to the pack. Woo! Let's go.
Yeah! You know where you're going? To the playground, my ninja dogs. Here. There. Good dog. Let's go. Say, Silver. Oh! Yeah, come. You can do it.
Okay, game 3. All the fun tires you and the dog. Bring them over to the basketball court for refreshers and snacks. It's snack time, guys. Let's go. Oh, wow, cool. They have a bicycle repair station. This place has everything, man. Let's go. Come. Okay, cool. We're finally here at the final station. Good to see that this park also has a shaded area for people to come and sit and chill.
Okay, Silver, you're now behind in front of me. Wait.
You excited? That's right. Let's go.
Everyone sit, one by one. All right, you go first. Right, wait, sit. Good. Totoro, I got you. Wait. Good. You? No, body weight. Okay, I think I fed everyone already. Is that it, Chelsea?
Yep.
Wait, so does that mean I won because I'm the first one here? Yeah, guys, you won! Yes, good job. Uncle Bob, we won! That's right!
Janet! We're not the first one here!
Janet, sit.
Okay, but wait, I don't see Nicky, I don't see Nicky, so I guess we're second, which is
Brenda,
not bad. I tried my best, okay?
Meanwhile,
I have to choose 3 dogs to help me out in this challenge. So, which 3 dogs want to do it? Okay, look here. I don't think she can jump over this. Let's go! That's right. You deserve one just for that. Go on. Oh yeah! Great job. Okay, follow the foot. Go through like this. Ah! Okay, Max, do the same thing. Yeah! Yay! Good job, Rob. Win again. Let's go. Whee!
We made it! Yay! Okay, so I mean, It's okay that we're not the first team, but at least we made it right, guys? Yeah? Girls and guys. Yeah? So, all of you obviously deserve a very good treat. Start from here. Left first, okay? Left. Okay, one for you. Good job. Okay, one for you. Okay, let me continue. So, one for you. No? One per person. Yeah! Everybody ready? Yeah? Okay, that's a wrap!
Much later.
We're gonna do the last challenge now, which is feeding time. Are you ready? Everyone look here. Oh yeah, that's right, mum time. Foxy, mum. Okay. Max. All right. Okay.
Great job!
How was that whole experience for? Oh, the both of you, I'm sorry.
It was so fun. It was so challenging though. It was really
Oh my
hard.
gosh.
It was really hard, but it feels great to be number one.
No, you're all number one.
You guys are all
Yeah, we're all
number
number one. We're all number one.
Oh, don't listen to that. We're all winners.
And we also like to thank our pet nannies from Fetch Me Later.
Yeah, thank you guys so much.
You guys are the
Good
true
job.
winners.
Guys, we have goodie bags for the goodiest dogs.
Hey. Okay. Shall we have a
Come.
Look, Nannies, you're
all the
okay.
treats.
Thank you.
A lot of things in there.
Yay. Oh, they know
Okay,
what
who
I
do I give it to?
Smell it.
Okay,
Thank you.
Yay, and I guess that's a wrap.
that's a wrap.
Bye, doggy. I will miss you, pet.
Bye. Oh, what? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh.
Goodbye, Bruno. I'll see you. Guys, I'm very sad lah. We just said our goodbyes to the doggies, man. But we are here right now at Gamuda Central Park, and I have to say, guys, just look around. It's so beautiful, right?
pretty.
The lake, the
The
bridge.
view is next
Yes.
level.
Yeah.
And even that, the ship.
Exactly, that's
Right
Splash
now.
Mania.
Splash Mania.
That's Splash Mania, exactly.
Okay, let's go after this right now.
After this, I'm not even joking.
The fun is right there, but it's okay. If you want some like peace and quiet, this is the place to be. I mean, can you just hear the silence?
Yeah, we-
So zen.
Namaste.
You can do yoga here, guys. Oh my gosh. But overall, how was the challenge for you guys?
Honestly, very hectic, very overwhelming. They say, actually they don't say anything lah, but I think they say one dog is more than enough lah.
We underestimated that, man.
10 dogs, it sounds like not so many, right? But
Yeah. For real. If it wasn't for the pet nannies, we would have died.
Yeah,
but at the
honestly,
same time,
I just want to highlight like the pet nannies picking up their poops, man. And
Yes, and it's so accessible.
yeah,
here,
because
right?
like they have, I don't know whether y'all saw, but there were
Yes.
like dog poopy bins
Right.
all over the park.
heck, guys, I can see one right here.
Oh, yeah!
Ah,
It's so
look
easy
at
to
that, look at that,
see.
look at that.
Yeah, it's everywhere. Actually, it's everywhere,
It's
honestly.
everywhere.
You just
Yeah.
walk like 10 minutes, no like kidding, 10 seconds, another one. Oh my gosh, guys. The lakes, we've been to like, I think the whole park already.
yeah, we-
Three
quite
lakes,
sure.
it's so pretty.
Lakes.
And not only that, it's so near to the residential areas. You can just, you know,
In the evening,
Yeah,
after
jog
your
here.
work, just come in.
that's about it, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so fun. You guys should come here, and thank you so much for watching.
Be sure to bring your dog, bring your pets, and like, share, and subscribe.
Exactly.
See you here.
Bye.
We're gonna go Splash Mania now.
Yeah, man.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go get wet. Let's go get wet.